Wait, why am I yawning? Just because you yawned? Is yawning contagious or is my brain just being lazy? Yep, yawning is contagious. But it's not about oxygen or being tired. It's a social reflex linked to empathy. When your brain sees someone yawn, it subconsciously mirrors them. Scientists believe it's those mirror neurons, special brain cells that copy others' behavior. And here's the cool part: the more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to catch a yawn. In fact, people with stronger social bonds yawn contagiously more often. Even some animals do it. Chimpanzees, dogs, and even parrots have shown contagious yawning. It's like the brain saying, "We are all in this together." So if you're yawning right now, blame your big empathetic brain, or maybe this script was just too relaxing. For more weird human reflexes, hit subscribe before you yawn again.